co-op opportunities don't just have to be with the federal government. So I would really encourage students who are interested in a policy issue where the nonprofit sector or another organization is involved in that type of work to consider pursuing employment opportunities through co-op in those fields.
My favorite memory of the program thus far has definitely been participating in the anti-racism symposium panel that I did in my first year. When I did this, I had the opportunity to share my lived experience working in public service and being a student, and connect with other public servants who have lots of years of experience and learning about their experiences to inspire us as future policy graduates.
One of the reasons why I applied was because of the research opportunities that Carleton offers. And so if that's something that you're interested in, I would really encourage you to apply because there are so many profs with such diverse experiences and interests. And so you'll find a professor whose interest aligns with yours.